The Velocity Interactive Calculator solves for velocity and displacement across 6 different calculation modes. Let me show you the calculator inputs. First, there's a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: velocity from displacement, velocity from acceleration, velocity from kinetic energy, displacement from velocity, time from velocity, and velocity from components. For this demonstration, I'm using velocity from displacement mode. The input fields include initial position in meters, final position in meters, time interval in seconds, initial velocity in meters per second, acceleration in meters per second squared, time in seconds, kinetic energy in joules, mass in kilograms, velocity in meters per second, another time field in seconds, displacement in meters, another velocity field in meters per second, x component in meters per second, and y component in meters per second. For our example, I've entered initial position as 10 meters, final position as 360 meters, and time interval as 3 seconds. After clicking Calculate, the results show velocity equals 120.000 meters per second, and displacement equals 360.000 meters. The calculator also provides additional information, stating this represents high-speed motion, and recommends verifying sensor accuracy and considering relativistic effects above 0.1 C. This calculator streamlines complex velocity calculations for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.